After the past few weeks of bearish market sentiment within the cryptocurrency economy, a wide variety of digital assets are starting to gain higher values. BTC, USD markets have hit a 24-hour high of $13,050 on January the 20th, after slowing creeping upwards from the low $10,000 range. Overall, nearly every token market is up today anywhere between 2 to 50% higher than yesterday. Also read, Japan's GDP grows due to Bitcoin wealth effect. The market storm has subsided, but what lies ahead is a whole lot of uncertainty. Cryptocurrency markets have seemingly reversed the downward trend in value and have started to gain steam again. At the moment, Bitcoin core markets are hovering around $12,650 minus $12,950 for the 3 hours. Volume is decent for a Saturday, as BTC markets are seeing roughly $11.6 billion in global trade volume, while Bitcoin Core, Ethereum, and Tether hold the highest trade volumes today. The top exchanges swapping the most BTC this weekend include Upbit, Bitfinex, OKEX, Bithumb, and Binance. The South Korean exchange Upbit has been trading some notable volumes over the past few weeks and has become one of the largest exchanges worldwide. Over the past few weeks, the US dollar has been the top nation-state-issued currency traded with BTC. However, this week Japan has taken the lead once again, as the yen now captures 36% of the global trade volume. This is followed by the USD, 32%, Tether, USDT 12.8%, the Korean won, 7.5%, and the Euro, 4.9%. The most popular traded cryptocurrency paired with BTC on Shapeshift is still Ethereum. The overall market capitalization of all 1,469 digital assets is $635 billion, and Bitcoin core markets dominate by 34% at the time of writing. Technical indicators. Looking at the charts, things are a bit more bullish than a few days prior. Volume is definitely not as strong, but buyers are controlling the market, and BTC, USD market values continue to rise. At the moment, there is deep resistance right now at the $13,000 minus $13,150 zone, but bulls have been slowly chipping away at those orders. It's safe to say that BTC is struggling to break past crucial resistance levels, which could lead to a sell-off point if things cannot hold. RSI and stochastic levels. Currently, the two simple moving averages, SMA, have changed courses since our last markets update. The short-term 100 SMA is still below the longer-term 200 SMA, which indicates the path to resistance will likely head southbound. However, both RSI and stochastic oscillators are headed northbound, showing more room for price improvements, but there's also room to drop as well. At present, order books show thicker sell walls above the $13,500 territory, alongside even more in the $14,000 regions. On the backside, there is excellent support at the $12,200 through $11,900 zones, but after that, the books start to thin out. A lot of traders believe the storm is not over and expected a dead cat bounce at $13,000. These negative speculators think Bitcoin could range between $9,000 to even $5,000 in the short term. More optimistic traders believe the storm is over and we should be heading towards the $16,000 zone over the next week, while also reaching all new highs next month. The price of BTC couldn't hold above $13,000 and has started to head downwards slightly. The price for BTC at press time is $12,740 USD. Cryptocurrency markets in general. As mentioned above, most cryptocurrency markets are doing very well, and only Tether is suffering today because many traders have exited that strategy so they can plot new positions. The second highest market cap is still held by Ethereum, as the market value is up 12%. One ETH is averaging $1,163 per token, and the market is the second most traded cryptocurrency today. The third position is held by Ripple, XRP, as its markets are up 4% and each XRP is priced at $1.60. Bitcoin Cash BCH markets are up by 13.9%, and the currency is seeing over $800 MN in global trade volume presently. 1 BCH has an average price of around 2014 per coin, and the market has a valuation of around $34 billion. Lastly, the fifth highest market cap is still controlled by Cardano, ADA, as markets are up 12% and each token is priced at 71 cents per ADA. Again, many traders are uncertain of the short-term future that lies ahead as far as government crackdowns and reaching all-time highs. Many agree that so far bear market sentiment may not be over yet and newer lows could happen. If the price can breach past $14.15k rigorously, then the trend reversal could have more of a solid foundation. Bulls are maintaining some momentum at the moment, and the next 24 hours may show some clearer signs. Where do you see the price of BTC and other digital assets heading from here? Do you think cryptocurrencies will see more gains? Let us know in the comments below. Disclaimer: price articles and markets updates are intended for informational purposes only and should not to be considered as trading advice. Neither Bitcoin.com nor the author is responsible for any losses or gains, as the ultimate decision to conduct a trade is made by the reader. Always remember that only those in possession of the private keys are in control of the money. Images courtesy of Pixabay, Bitcoin Wisdom, CoinMarketCap, Reddit, and Bitstamp. Get our news feed on your site. Check our widget services.